ChatGPT, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. From past 6 months, it's a very trending topic. Why? Because ChatGPT in just 5 days it has been reached 1 million of viewership, whereas this Instagram and Facebook took several months, whereas this Netflix took 3.5 years, and whereas Spotify took almost 5 months to reach 1 million viewership. But the ChatGPT just 5 days. So here we are going to explain you about what is the ChatGPT and how it is be useful in our daily life. And I'm sure that every of our student or any housewife or an employee, everyone will be can be use this ChatGPT. Before starting the video, I want to tell you about few things about the ChatGPT. Chat is a conversation. GPT, generative predefined transformer, where it's like it's trained everything. Just we need to give the input, it gives the output, and I will show you the everything practically. But one thing you need to do, you should not skip this video, and I'll be making many videos regarding this ChatGPT. So subscribe to our Smart Record channel and gain the knowledge. Now, here I'll be teaching you how to use ChatGPT and how to create a ChatGPT account and what is the difference between ChatGPT and the Google, and I'll be showing you all things. Just follow the steps. Now first we shall start through creating a ChatGPT account. As you can find, if you have an account you can click through login. If you don't have account you can click through sign in or sign up. So I'll click through sign up. Here this smartrecord.youtube@gmail.com is our YouTube channel mail ID. Just click on continue and enter the password. Continue. Once the account has been verified from the ChatGPT, this is the interface which we can see. As at the left top, we can see the new chart. At the left down, you can see the mail ID, and this is the interface. And here we need to give the inputs. This is the agenda of the video. And here today we are going to discuss about the 10 hacks. One is think a simple question. We shall ask a generate list and funny joke as specifically, and even we'll try to learn how to write a long form content, and we shall try to solve the complex problems, and we shall try to ask a feedback comments from the ChatGPT, and we'll try to give us some data, and we'll try to ask to convert in some other languages, and the instructions and how to build the programs with the help of the Python or C++. We can ask to ChatGPT, and even we can take the advice, and I'll be giving a tip. And once after learn all these 10 steps, then even we need to understand then what is the difference between Google and ChatGPT, right? Yes, I'll be helping you out. Now what is the difference in the ChatGPT and the Google? And everything has some limitations. Even the ChatGPT has certain limitations. I'll be showing you the at end of the video. First, we shall try to start with think simple question. First, a simple question. What is education? Here, education is the process of acquiring knowledge, skill, values, and through various forms, blah blah blah. We have received all the things from the ChatGPT, and even you can see it has been automatically taken as education key to success. It has taken some subject based on the data. And if you want more information about education, then just click on this region. And if you enough the thing what you want, just click on stop, and it has been stopped. And you can give the feedback as like, and you can give what are the feedback you are required. Good. See, this was the simple question I have asked to GPT, that what is education? Adding to the above question, I'll be giving as use it as synonyms. If I enter, you can see what are the synonyms of education. Instructions, learning, teaching, training, schooling, tutorials, coaching. We have a number of things which is guiding us. See, here I have raised the question what is education, and just I have given the synonyms, and here you can see the related to education. See, this is what the best thing in chat GPT. This is what we shall go to the next step. Generate list and funny jokes. In simple, I'll ask list of sports in India. You can see the list of sports in India. And now here I'll add a few specific, like the more you give accurate, the more you get accurate answer. List of sports in India for below 8 years. As you can see, these are the sports which is recommended under 8 years old. See, these were the best here I can identify in ChatGPT. And next, alas, here I have given the command as the 10 unique jokes for kids under 12 years. Now you can find here it tries to give you a 12 jokes which comes under the age 12. Here we are specifically here we are mentioning as 12 years. So here we have specifically we have mentioned as 12 years and we have specifically we have given the 10. So next, joke contains, the most interesting is how to write a long form content. Now here I have given a command as rent agreement which starts first Jan 2023 and costing of 12,000 per month, and the maintenance is 5,000 per year and it is increased by 10%, and even there is pets not allowed. So I want to generate a rent agreement now. If I enter here, now you can find a rent agreement. Just you need to identify the things, and here it specifically is mentioning that the landlord. You can give your name and the tenant name, and as you can see everything it has been added here. Suppose you want to add another point into the rent agreement, just give it add notice period with 3 months prior intimation. So if I give the similar comment to here, now again it generates the rent agreement to adding that notice period will be 3 months prior. As you can see here, surely here is the updated rental agreement with the 3 months notice period. And next, suppose you are in a HR team and your company is expecting to cut 15% in your salary every month. Then you need a mail, right, to respond to all the employees. So I have given a command as write a mail where company want to cut the 15% every month to all the employees in positive manner. So when I give this comment to here, things in your view, and if suppose I'll give in negative manner, and as you can see it was just pre-trained only for positive but not for the negative. But when I try to ask the same question in new chart, might be it helps us. Now here you can see it is giving in a negative manner. So even it's trying to draft a mail in the positive and in the negative manner. It assumes the things. The main thing here is like you need to give the input very accurately. The more you give accurate, the more it gives the information. And if you observe even here, Chat GPT help us to solve the complex problems. Here is the problem I have taken from one of the book and find the variance of x and y in the equation of so and so. So if I try to enter, now ChatGPT tries to solve this and here is the solution. And it gives everything step by step like solving what is x and what is y and what is therefore everything is trying to solve the equation. And I'll try to give another question to ChatGPT, and here you can find right I have given another comment if so and so then what is 2 into 5 into 10 1 plus n2 is equals to. Then if I try to give this, and now here the it is getting solved by ChatGPT AI. I think here the students are very helpful in this ChatGPT. Why? Because if they're finding any complex things, if they try to give the view in the ChatGPT, it helps us a lot. As you can see here, it is trying to solve the complete problem. Next, we are in feedback comments. Here, if suppose you are writing any essay, presentations, and you need a feedback, then like if you have any elders or any educated parents, then no issues. But if suppose you are a only child in your family that you have studied, then you need a advice, right? Then you can take a good feedback comment from ChatGPT. And now here I have given my essay about global warming. And here at last I have given an addition. Give me a feedback to my essay. Just if I upload it here, and here it tries to give you and it understands, and even it gives one suggestion to you based on your data, it's trying to give you some suggestions and where you can try to make the changes. If suppose you want additional things, then you can regenerate it, and again it tries to analyze it and it gives the data. I think it helps us, right? See, in addition, like in addition to the matter, you can add this and the overall things. So hope it helps to every student. Now even we can convert the data into other language. Suppose here I'll be giving us convert to Hindi. So now you can see, now the data which we have given the above, it is converted to Hindi. If suppose you want to stop, you can stop here. Now we'll try to give instructions. See, what is this instruction? Now here I'm giving a command that how to cook Hyderabad biryani. Now here it gives how to prepare Hyderabad biryani and what are the ingredients. And even here it tells the instructions like how to wash, for how much minutes, like how many cups we need. Everything is good. I think it's pretty good, right? And you know one good thing here, now I have given like in my refrigerator I have only onion, paneer, rice, tomato, and I'm asking to ChatGPT to make a dinner. Now here it's give me instructions and it gives the ingredients. With the help of these ingredients, like I can make my dinner ready. We can build even a program with the help of ChatGPT. Now here I have given a command like I want a game with the help of Python, which needs to be a snake and ladder. I have given the subject and program everything. So now we shall see that how the ChatGPT works here. As we can see, the code is getting ready. Now here, as we can see, this is the Python program for snake and ladder, and you can copy the code and you can paste it in your Python. Hope I think it helps you, right? When if you are a software person, if you want to have any doubts regarding any program, then I think you can best help. You can take this ChatGPT. Here we can take few advices. Now I'm taking an advice with ChatGPT. Here I have a command as, is it okay to do gym for my age 12 years? And if no, what should I take care of my health? And here the ChatGPT is trying to tell me that the physical activities is very good. Now for the age of 12 or less, it is not a preferable things to be do gym. Like it gives me a thing where I can take an advice. Now even I have generated another thing, as you can see it is giving me. And here as you can see, this includes the eating healthy balanced diet, getting regular physical activity, like it gives everything, and it's trying to give me an advice. Now what is the tip of the video? Yes, I'll give a tip of the video, but surely you need to try this. The tip, what you need to try is, you have watched my video, right? Now you try take a help of ChatGPT. Like what I have done here, write a YouTube comment from my view. Explain about ChatGPT, which was explained by Smart Record YouTube channel. If I ask an advice or if I ask a suggestion with the ChatGPT, it is trying to give me a well developed comment where even the preparer might be impressed. I think you got it right. Hope you can try this, right? And please give me a comment on my video with the help of ChatGPT. Now we are trying to understand what is the difference between Google and ChatGPT. As we have seen many things now and we have learned many things about the ChatGPT, right? Now I'll be showing you what is the difference between Google and ChatGPT. Now in ChatGPT, I'll be searching about what is web page. If I try to search in ChatGPT, as we know, it gives a simple answer where it is very easy to understand. But in a similar way, if I try to go in Google, if I try to search, as we can see, we find many optional things what is web page. See, I hope like you are getting right here in the web in the ChatGPT. It gives only one accurate answer, but as whereas Google has option of things. So this might be the reason even Google is trying to develop a ChatGPT. And finally, we're end of the video. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? As we know before, ChatGPT is generative pre-trained transformer. What is pre indicates pre-trained, but ChatGPT gives me the information only before 2021, not after 2022. Now here I'll be giving a comment like do Punit Rajkumar is alive? If suppose I ask this, now the ChatGPT is telling that he is alive. But if suppose we are trying to go in Google and if you try to search, as we know that he is no more from 29th October 2021. Here the ChatGPT is clearly mentioned that limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Yeah, as we have discussed all the points which was the agenda of this video and hope you loved this video, and if you are watching this video from first to the end, I hope that you might be a pro in ChatGPT. If you like our video, please give me a like button and please try to use ChatGPT. With the help of the ChatGPT, try to give a comment about our video, and relating to this ChatGPT we'll be explaining in more in future session. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.